Miss Smith left to talk on the phone. It's high time to use her blackboard for the next prank. While the teacher is away, cover the entire blackboard with refrigerator magnets. Miss Smith comes back. She doesn't like our magnet illustration. Now I will have to clean everything. The blue-eyed girl has brought a radio-controlled car to school. Funny classes will start now. Miss Smith has prepared thoroughly for the classes. She even did her lip makeup, but Miss Smith has only one fan at school. And this is the blackboard. We conduct our car operation as soon as Miss Smith turns away and writes a task on the blackboard. I put her makeup bag on the car. The car takes away her makeup bag when she faces the table. What kind of magic trick is this? Somebody hailed a taxi for my makeup bag. Miss Smith struggles to catch her makeup bag, and the girls are laughing out loud. At last, the makeup bag is saved, and there is no chance of MBC, and the students return their car back to its parking lot near the desk. The blue-eyed girl needs a notebook. Excellent! I've got a spare one. Butter is not only for bread. Spread butter over a notebook sheet. Close the notebook and press it tightly. My friend takes the notebook and starts writing. But something goes wrong. Her hand is covered in grease, and a pen doesn't work on oily paper. The blue-eyed girl is outraged. She doesn't like butter at all, and especially in her notebook. But I think it's funny. This prank is a success. I will prank my neighbor. I will offer her a special school supplies cup. Take a plastic school supplies cup and turn it over. Heat a utility knife over a candle and cut out the bottom of the cup. Put the school supplies inside. I pretend that I want to copy from my friend. It irritates her a lot, to such an extent that she stands up and takes all of her stuff away. Oops! Her pens and pencils definitely want to stay on this desk. On the other hand, the cup turned into a spyglass. Let's make coffee for our favorite teacher, but we will serve it not in a regular cup. Take a permanent marker and write "Drink me" on the side of a cup. Write "Poison" on the inside bottom of the cup and draw a radiation sign. Miss Smith is happy to see the drink. This is so nice of you, girls. She enjoys her coffee. But when she finishes it, she notices a warning sign on the bottom. Oops! Too late! Miss Smith has a heart attack. Did we actually cause this? Oh dear! Boo! The teacher pranks us in return. Phew! It's great that she's okay. My neighbor always takes my food without asking me first, but I will teach her a lesson today. I will put in very healthy chips for her. Cut a bag of chips carefully near the seal. Take the contents out. Cut carrots into thin slices and put them into the bag. Fasten it with double-sided tape. Redhead opens a bag of chips. She takes one chip without looking inside and puts it into her mouth. What is it? Carrot? Since when do they make carrot-flavored chips? Or is it my neighbor's prank? The teacher asks to collect notebooks. Excellent! We have a whole pile ready. Make a square cut in a pile of notebooks. Cut out the middle of every notebook gradually. Put one notebook without a cut on the bottom of the pile. Hot glue the notebooks with holes to it. Put stones inside the hole. Hot glue one more notebook without a cut on top of the pile. We hand in our prepared notebooks. The teacher is surprised that they are heavy. It's a luggage of knowledge, Miss Smith, but when she takes the notebooks, she understands what's going on. We handed in not only notebooks, but also a few pounds of stones. Did you like our pranks? Then write in your comments how you like to prank your friends in school. And don't forget to give your thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click the bell so that you don't miss new school ideas on the Troom channel.